Hey Jammers, it's purplegoo1234 here again, and I am just making another video. Really? So, I hope you guys checked out my last video. All I really did was really slap together a video. But anyway, that was just the introduction. They'll get better by every video. Sorry. So anyway, today we are just going around JAMA, seeing if anything is really different. Not really though. Oh. Okay, so let's check out my den. Last video I showed you around my den and stuff, but it was really just kind of a little boring party. Let's go to, okay, I guess Coral Canyons. That's not really where I wanted to go, but okay. Whoa. Okay. Okay, so I guess we're going to my den. I really want a rare bow. I mean, mine got scammed, so yeah. I really don't care what color, so I'm just trying to get a rare bow. So, watch and enjoy, and hopefully I get it. Trade my list for a spike. Why? I don't have a spike. If I had a spike, I would have it on trade, and I would be wearing it. Okay. Well, I guess it's time to bake. I'm leaving. Like, why would she do that? Why didn't she just say, nope, you don't have what I want? I mean, I would have taken that, but okay. Whatever she says. Well, if anybody has a rare bow here, I'll be lucky. Or anywhere. Hopefully a person does, like just one. I would trade pretty much anything for a rare bow right now. But anyway, I still have a cold because it's the same day that I made the last video. So yeah. Spread the word. I need 50 jammers. Why will we sleep? I just want to see. Holy crap, maybe it will go. Maybe we should try this. So I'm dancing. Sleep. Okay, well, I really don't believe this, but I mean, I really have nothing better to do. But apparently you get rares if you sleep here. But I don't know. I'm not really sure that if that's really what it is or if someone's just pushing my buttons. No, I'm not gonna trade you. I'm not gonna trade you that. Yeah, I'm leaving too. What? No, sorry. No. Okay, let's go to the heatwave party. Okay, maybe not. That looks boring. Okay, I don't know what to do. Animal Jam is just kind of boring right now. Come on. Do something good. But anyway, he's on an adventure. Okay. Oh, you have to be serious. You can't be serious. Rainbow, I think. Yes. No! Why? Well, I'm out of luck, so bye, jammers. Please subscribe. Bye. Oh, and I will collect and read fan mail. So if you want to send fan mail, I will read it. Thanks. Subscribe. Bye.